Getting clear skin is everyone's goal, and everyone wants to have a clear and blemish-free skin. You might have tried a lot of skincare products, but sometimes they don't even work. Because clear skin needs consistent and systematic care and attention. So in this video, we will share with you an easy DIY that you can follow to get clear skin in just 1 week. Number 1. Wash your face. Wash your face twice a day with lukewarm water. Make sure that water is not too hot or not too cold, as it will strip away all the natural oils from your skin and will make it even worse. Washing your face with lukewarm water will open up the pores and it will clear the bacteria and dirt from your skin, as well as increases blood flow that helps to give you clear and glowing skin. Number 2. Sugar-based exfoliator. Make a sugar-based exfoliator to exfoliate your skin. For this, take 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 1 tablespoon of instant coffee powder and 2 tablespoons of rose water. Mix all the ingredients in a small bowl. Now splash some water on your face and rub this mixture on your face gently for 1 to 2 minutes. After that, wash your face with water. Number 3. Apply toner. For making toner, take 2 to 3 tablespoons of rose water and 1 tablespoon of alcohol-free witch hazel. Combine both the ingredients well and mist over your face. Follow these steps 2 times in a day to get clear skin within a week. Also drink 8 glasses of water per day to clean your skin internally. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.